Miss K and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is going to be another unboxing video, and this unboxing is the stuff that I bought from Innisfree. So if you want to see what's inside this box, then please keep on watching. So, every November yung season ng sale kasi meron silang mga Black Friday sale, meron silang 11/11. So, yun yung pinakaabangan ng mga shopaholics na sale kasi maraming sale in store and online. So, you know me, I am into Korean skincare and Korean beauty products. So, I grabbed the opportunity to buy from one of my favorite brands, Innisfree. So, yung Innisfree, as I've mentioned before sa video ko, nagde-deliver sila online. So, if you want to see the video that I made before from Innisfree, then I will put it somewhere here or here dun sa card. So, kung interesado kayong panoodin. So, itong box ko from Innisfree, actually 1 week pa lang nang in-order ko siya, na-receive ko na siya. So, in-order ko siya ng November 21, and meron akong discount coupon, or actually, it's a shipping fee, parang coupon na you will be able to get your items delivered even if you only ordered $40. Kasi yung standard nila na shipping, free shipping is through Korea packet, K-packet, and it has to be $60 yung order mo. So, I am lucky to have had a discount for the shipping through EMS kasi if you're shipping your items through EMS, it gets here much more quicker than if you're shipping it through K-packet. It may take 2 weeks. So, ito yung box niya. Fresh pa yan. Hindi pa yan opened. So, I received it just today. And, samahan nyo ako na i-open siya. So, hindi ko pa talaga siya in-open kasi gusto ko makita nyo na kung ano yung laman along with me. So, ang maganda lang sa Innisfree din kasi meron silang parang Go Green initiative. So, yung plaster nila, as you can see, limited lang yung mga plaster nila na na plastic. And itong plaster na to actually was from the Saudi Post. So, hindi pala talaga siya originally from Korea. Kasi yung plaster niya dito sa taas, parang paper tape lang siya na medyo heavy duty din. So, open na natin siya. Actually, itong package na to is not for me alone, yung items. Alam nyo naman kami dito, lagi kaming pasabay. So, yung ibang items dito ay para doon sa sister ko. Yung sister ko nandito rin sa Jeddah. So, hati kami. Hirap na buksan. So, there you go. Ayan yung bubungad sa'yo. Pag i-open mo yung package, first item you'll see is the product invoice. So, yung product invoice, nakasulat dito lahat ng items na nasa loob ng box. So, if may mga kulang, then you get to double check dito kung may mga items ba na kulang. So, next is, as you can see nga, since may Go Green sila, yung mga fillers nila inside the box para hindi siya makalog is recyclable paper. So, brown paper. Ang dami. So, I appreciate the initiative. Pero sana, wag na masyadong madaming paper kasi wala naman din kaming paggagamitan. Although, it's easy to decompose yung mga ganitong paper. Paano ko naman siya i-recycle? I don't know. Paano ko siya i-recycle? It will end up in the trash. So, first item, ito. Ang ganda talaga nung ano nila, oh. Yung kung paano nila pinoprotektahan yung mga items inside. Meron silang ganito. Para siyang may cut-cut siya na ganyan. Na parang hindi lang siya din makalog kasi hindi nga sila masyadong naglalagay din ng mga box din sa iba nilang mga items. So, first items are these. I think this is the lipstick. I have 3. Hindi ko actually matandaan yung pangalan. Parang Vivid Cotton Ink yata. So, I have 3. Dalawa sa akin, dalawa sa kapatid ko, isa sa akin. So, yung shade niya, isang shade number 6. Yung shade niya nandito sa ilalim. Everything is written in Korean. So, shade number 6. And there's shade number 11. And the last is, I think this is shade number 9. So, I think yung akin dito yung shade number 6. Hindi ko sure. I-check ko na lang ulit sa invoice. And prices for each, i-flash ko na lang din ulit sa screen so that you have an idea kung magkano. Since meron na tayong Innisfree dyan sa Philippines. So, may idea kayo if you're getting it much more cheaper sa store or if you're buying it online. So, the next items are these box of sheet masks. It says in the box that there's 20 of them. Actually, dun sa orders namin, merong 2 na free and then 18 pieces ng sheet masks yung binili namin ng sister ko kasi it was on sale. I think naka 40% off siya because of the Black Friday sale. Ito nga palang mga lipsticks na na-mention ko earlier, it was on sale also. Prior to Black Friday, it was buy one take one. Pero when they released their sale ng Black Friday, 30% off na lang siya. So, okay lang. Sale pa rin naman siya. So, you see that there is a ton of sheet masks. Dami, di ba? Isa lang naman yung mukha mo. Dami yung sheet mask. So, let's pakita ko sa inyo yung mga variants ng sheet mask. So, the first 3 is this Innisfree My Real Squeeze Mask, and this is in, I think it's shea butter. Yeah, this is shea butter. So, nandun pala siya sa ilalim. Hashtag shea butter. So, 3 siya. So, yan yung muna. 3 mask. Sa sister ko to actually. Ito akin. Then the next is this variant. It's acai berry. So, yan, acai berry. So, 3 din. Binili namin 3 variants per, 3 pieces per variant dun sa My Real Squeeze para matry namin. Makikipag-exchange ako dun sa sister ko para matry namin lahat. So, that's the second variant. Next variant is this rose mask. Rose water, I think. Or rose. Yeah, rose. So, 3 rin siya. Then the next one is aloe. So, hindi pwedeng mawala yung aloe sa mga sheet masks namin. It's either aloe or green tea. Kasi nga, yun yung mga ingredients ng skincare na bumabagay sa skin type ko, which is oily. So, the last of this My Real Squeeze mask is this variant, which is green tea. So, as I mentioned nga, di ba, laging may green tea. Sa sister ko yung aloe, sa akin yung green tea. So, 3 rin siya. And I bought 2 na skin clinic mask. So, this one is collagen. This one is actually cheaper. This is more expensive than this one. Kasi yung ano nito, parang tissue yung itsura ng pagka-sheet mask niya. Ito, parang yung mas madikit siya. Mas madikit yung mask nito. Kaya siguro mas mahal siya. So, itong dalawa na to, collagen. Then, another two na skin clinic mask is this hyaluronic acid. So, yan. So, akin lahat yung skin clinic mask. Then, sa sister ko yung acai berry. I think acai berry, aloe, and shea butter. So, sa kanya. And then, I have mentioned that there are 2 free na masks. So, one is this. I think this is the Manuka Honey. Manuka Honey. And the other free is this oatmeal. So, I haven't tried these 2 variants kasi nga, laging tinatry yung green tea kasi nga ayoko nang mabigla din yung skin ko. Ayoko mag-try ng mga ibang mga ingredients ng skincare sa face ko kasi baka ma-disrupt niya yung balance ng face ko. Instead na maging okay yung skin ko, baka mag-breakouts pa ako. So, natatakot ako. So, that is that. And this is the last item in the box. This is actually free as well. Free din to kasi may coupon din ako na nakuha kasi meron sila yung Club Innisfree, as I mentioned from my previous video, na kapag naka-accumulate ka ng $150 for 3 months, bibigyan ka nila ng 3 coupons. 1 coupon for free shipping ng $40, 1 20% off, and the other is gift set. So, sa gift set, ito yung nakuha ko. This is the Olive Real X Special Kit. So, we live for the free items. So, ito yung laman niya. There are 4 items in the box. Most of them are written in Korean. So, hindi ko sa inyo ma-mention isa-isa. Pero meron yata siyang pangalan. So, this first item is olive. Hindi siya masyadong mabasa. Olive Real Skin. So, if marinig nyo sa Korean skincare products yung skin, that means it's a toner. Then, the next is this Olive Real Lotion. So, lotions and creams, they are moisturizers. The next is this Olive Real Serum. And another moisturizer is this one, Olive Real Cream. So, it's not bad since you're getting these items for free. And I haven't tried their olive line yet since they said that the olive line is suited best for dry skin. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to try this or I'll give it to my sister kasi I'm not sure if she's dry skin. I made my life difficult. Meron pala siyang peep something. You open it from here and then you'll see what's inside. So, diba? Amazing. So, the more you buy stuff from Innisfree, the more freebies you get. And I've mentioned that gustong-gusto ko yung mga free items nila. Not only because they're free, but syempre, matatry mo rin sila for free before trying the full size. Since nga, ang skincare is trial and error. So, yun lang yung mga items na nabili ko from Innisfree. And ang total nito lahat is $40 and some change. So, hindi siya eksakto. Meron siyang konting parang butal. Pero, i-flash ko na lang kung magkano. And yung conversion niya in peso para may idea kayo. Since nga, mag-open na dyan yung Innisfree. And, comment down below kung ano yung mga Innisfree items na favorite nyo. Para din na-try ko din siya for myself. So, I will be putting another item nga pala sa aking haul video. This is actually not from Innisfree. It's an item from iHerb. Isa lang kasi siya, wala na siyang ibang kasama. So, isasama ko na rin siya sa haul. So, this is the Real Techniques na Miracle Complexion Sponge na may kasama siyang case. So, you get the sponge, tapos meron siyang travel-friendly na case. And I got this for 26 reals, shipping and all. Bumili kasi kami ng items through iHerb. Ako at si Ruby. So, nakisabay lang ako nito. So, pasabay lang siya. So, hindi na ako gumawa ng separate haul so that I can give the items to Ruby right away. So, yun lang yung haul ko for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like if you like videos like this. Comment down below kung anong mga Innisfree products yung gusto nyong itry at saka yung mga na-try nyo na that worked for you. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!